Today we see the electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? So an electric circuit is the continuous or unbroken closed path along with electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. So electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. So you connect the same terminal means the torchlight did not glow. So you should connect positive terminal and negative terminal only. The current flows and the torch will glows. Okay, understood? So this is the inside view of torch. So the circuit has cell and connecting wires, bulb and switch. Okay, so first one, battery. So battery is a sources of electric current. Next, connecting wires for carrying the current. So a bulb, a device that consumes the electricity. A device that consumes the electricity. Next, switch. Switch, this may be connected anywhere along the circuit to stop the current flow or allow the flow of current. Okay, this is the circuit. So switch is off condition means the bulb turn off. Okay, this is the inside view of torch. And circuit has two types. So first one open circuit and second one closed circuit. So what is open circuit? So in a circuit the key, that means switch. Okay, but switch is off condition means then electricity will not flow and the circuit is called open circuit. In this circuit bulb will not glow. Clear? So the switch is off condition means the electricity is not flow. So the circuit is called open circuit. So next, closed circuit. So in a circuit the switch is on condition. Switch is on condition means the electricity will flow and the circuit is called closed circuit. So switch is on condition means closed circuit, off condition means open circuit. Clear? So the bulb will glow in this closed circuit. So that's clear. Next we see the types of circuit. So first one simple circuit, second one series circuit, third one parallel circuit. So first simple circuit. So what is simple circuit? That means we consisting cell, key and bulb. So connecting the wires is called simple circuit. Okay. So next, series circuit. So two or more bulbs connected in the series circuit. So this type of circuit is called series circuit. So if any one of the bulb is damaged or disconnect mean the entire circuit will not work. Okay, va? Two or more bulb connected in the series circuit means is called series circuit. Next, third type, parallel circuit. So parallel circuit means two or more bulbs are connected in the parallel. So that the type of circuit is called parallel circuit. If any one of the bulb is damaged means other part of the circuit will work. Okay, in the series circuit any one bulb damage means the entire circuit will not work. But in the parallel circuit means one bulb is damaged means other part of the circuit will work. So the parallel circuits are used in the many of the homes. So this is the parallel circuit. Next we see the symbol of electric components. So this is the first one, electric cell. So electric cell have positive terminal and negative terminal. So a longer one is positive terminal and shorter one is negative terminal. So battery, what is battery? Two or more cells connected is called battery. So two or more cells connected in the series. So long one is positive and small one is the negative terminal. So next, switch open. Switch open means off condition. So off condition. So next, fourth one, switch close. Close means on condition. Okay. So electric bulb. So first one does not glow. That means switch open condition. So second one, bulb glows. that means which closed condition. So connecting the wires, so used to connect the devices. Clear? So this is the symbol of electric components. So next, so what is electricity or electric current? So the flow of electric charge in a circuit. So flow of electric charge in a circuit is called electric current. Okay, what is the circuit? So battery, connecting the wires, bulb, switch or the circuit. The flow of electric charge in a circuit is called electric current or electricity. So electric circuit has three types. What are they? Simple circuit, series circuit and parallel circuit. And cell. Cell has two types. So one is primary cell and second one is secondary cell. Clear? So next, all you see the instrument. So this is called ammeter. So this is called ammeter. So ammeter is an instrument used to electric circuits to find the current flow. Okay, electric circuits to find the current flow through the circuit. This is to be connected in the series circuit. Okay, so ammeter is used to find the current flow in the circuit. So next topic, conductors or insulator. So what is conductor? So the rate of flow of electric charge in a circuit is called electric current. Okay, what is the electric current? So the flow of electric charge is called electric current. So conductor means the materials which allow the electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. So what is conductor? Materials allow the electric charge. So material allow the electric charge to pass through them means this is called conductor. So for example, copper, iron, aluminium and earth, impure water or etc. So insulator is called non-conductors. That means the materials which do not allow the electric charges, to pass through them are called insulator or non-conductors. For example, plastic, glass and wood. So these are examples of insulator. So conductor means material which allow the electric charge. Insulator means which do not allow the electric charge. So are you understood? So next one, any person in the electric shock means we should safeguard a person from the electric shock. So safety measures to safeguard a person from the electric shock. So first step, we do switch off the power supply. So second step, remove the connections. So third step, so using the non-conductor, that means we use a long stick and push him away from the electric wires. So fourth step, give him first aid. So and take him to the nearest healthcare. So this is the safety measures. Okay, understood? So next I ask one question. Who invented the electric bulb? You know the answer? Right, Thomas Alva Edison. So Thomas Alva Edison only invented the electric bulb. So he was an American inventor. He invented more than 1,000 useful inventions and most of them are electrical appliances used in homes. So Thomas Alva Edison only invented the electric bulb. Clear? So second lesson over. I hope all you understood, right? So